Have you ever caught yourself scrolling, and suddenly, boom, your brain starts a competition you never signed up for? Why is their life shinier, their success bigger, their smile wider? Well, what if I told you that this endless comparison game isn't even your fault? Stick around, because today we're diving into the hilarious and slightly painful truth of why you compare yourself to others and how to finally break free.
Comparing ourselves to others is something we all do, often without even realizing it. We scroll through social media, see the highlight reels of others' lives, and can't help but think, are we measuring up? This habit can have a big impact on our self-esteem and personal growth. Constant comparison can also make us lose sight of our own strengths and accomplishments. We become so focused on what others are doing that we forget to celebrate our own successes. It's essential to recognize our own value and not measure it against someone else's. Our worth is unique to us, and it's time we start embracing that. On a personal level, I've learned that comparison is a game you can never win. There's always someone who seems to have more, achieve more, or look better. But that's not the point. The point is to focus on your own journey and progress. I recall a time when I was stuck in a comparison loop, feeling like I wasn't good enough. But then I realized that I was measuring my behind-the-scenes moments against everyone else's highlight reels. I shifted my focus to my own goals and celebrated my small wins. It was liberating, and I started to enjoy the journey rather than comparing it to others. So, why do we compare ourselves to others? There's no single answer, but societal pressures play a big role. Social media amplifies this, making it seem like everyone else has it all figured out. The psychology of self-worth also comes into play. We often tie our self-worth to external validation rather than internal fulfillment. Another reason we compare is that it's a way to cope with our own insecurities. By focusing on others, we can temporarily forget about our own fears and doubts. But this coping mechanism only provides temporary relief. In conclusion, let's recap. Comparing ourselves to others can have negative impacts on our mental health and motivation. We compare due to societal pressures, social media, and a flawed psychology of self-worth. The key is to focus on our own journey and progress. If you've struggled with comparison, share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're looking for strategies to improve your self-esteem and motivation, check out my next video where we explore practical tips to help you on your journey.